Hey Team Shiny K, what's up? It's finally time to unbox my SHEIN gift box. It's pretty big. I think they sent me a gift. I posted it in my story and everybody wanted to see. Shiny K, what'd you get in the box? So let's unbox it together, okay? Let's see what we got. Oh my God, this is so cute. Ooh, nice. OMG. Let's see what's actually in it underneath this. OMG, there is tons of stuff in the box. Let's unbox it all together. This is the cutest. Under everything, we have this right here from Motif. Ooh, this is cute. So it tells about the brand story, premium, all that good stuff, okay? Awesome, all right. So we have this glow mode. Let's see what in that bag, yeah? All right, so we are now. All right. Oh my God, it's like tights. Okay, like workout tights. Y'all know I'm in the gym. Okay, this is cute. I don't know what it is, but I like it. All right, we got this. Ah, my God, it just sent me like cute stuff. OMG, it's a cute little beanie, and then you can take this off and put it like anywhere on the hat. Oh my God, this is cute. Oh, we got another one. All the other stickers that we could put like on the hat. Oh my God, this is cute. Oh, little kitty stuff. Oh my God, you guys, this is so cute. Ooh, feather fit fabric. Oh, so this is the top that's going to go with the bottom that I have here. Remember the leggings? Yeah. So this top goes with it. Ooh, this is nice. I'm loving this. Got this bag here. Okay, so this says Daisy, not just any girl. So let's open her up and see what this is. It's a super cute bag. All right. Ooh, Daisy. I think these are socks, like warm socks, which is great. And a cashmere scarf. Oh my God, it is so warm. Ooh. Oh my God, I don't even know what else to take out the box. Okay, I have this white box here. Oh, it says shit on it. I wonder what's inside. All right, let's open her up. This is so cute. Oh, so me a plug in. I have to plug this in for you guys. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. It's a little SHEIN light. I ain't gonna lie, this is super cute. Okay. Packaging on point, okay? Open her up. Oh, honey, this feels good. Ooh. Oh, this is a silk pillowcase. Now, my curly girls out there, you know this is perfect for your hair when you sleep on a silk pillowcase. It is absolutely perfect. We got another one here. I'm assuming it's the other pillowcase. Yes. No, wait. All right, wait. Something different. Okay. Oh my God, it's like a eye thingy like this. Oh, so cute. Lovelette, let's see what this is. Let's open her up. All right. Let's see what this is. Okay. So this is Lovelette and and bras. All right. Oh my God, it's like a seamless underwear, ladies. You know we need this, okay? I'm not mad at this at all. All right. See what else lovely give we. All right. Ooh, a seamless bra. Ladies, this is so necessary, okay? All right. Not mad at this, not mad at this at all. All right, so we know. And I guess this is maybe underwear. Let's see what this one is. Yes, seamless underwear. Perfect, what this bad boy is right here. This is nice. I don't know what it is, but it's very nice, but let's find out. All right. It says vacuum bottle. Vacuum bottle. Let's see what this is. Oh my God, is this like a super cute bag? Oh my God, it's like a little bag. You guys see that? So it's like a little bag that you rock. It's like a bottle bag. So let's see. So it has like the straps on it. Okay, so here it is. OMG, it's like a legit like bottle. Oh, honey, this is gorgeous. So gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my God. And it has like the cover that you put like this. Oh my God, what's this piece for? Hold on. Let's see if I can get it out. Look at the details on that. Well, I guess you have to take this off and put it on the bottom. It goes like that. Oh, and then the straps. Super cute, super cute. Oh, no. We're not done yet, we have more. All right, so we have She Glam Cream Allure Lipstick, super cute. We have matte lipstick again. More matte lipstick. More lipstick. They must know me very well. You guys know I love me my lipstick, right? More lipstick. And we have a power adapter. Man, they know me way too well. Because all this stuff, I needed it. Okay, a power bank. Oh my God, this is so good. USB charger, all kind of charger, adapter. And you know I travel a lot, so this is perfect. Oh, it has like, oh look, Europe, UK, America. Look at that. Oh my God, this is so cute. Shan knows me way too well. So that's all I got in my SHEIN gift box. You guys by now know that I'm an ambassador for SHEIN and I've been rocking with them for a few years. So this is a really nice surprise. So thank you, SHEIN.